My name is Lou Meyers. I have a small business here in Durham. And what we're talking about here today, folks, is major. I dare say it's historic. We're going to affect the lives of every man, woman, and child in this country. It's going to affect their health. And if we don't get this right the first time, we'll be back here in 3 to 5 years with a bigger mess. We've got to get it right now. Okay, I'm here to talk about the adverse effects that insurance companies have on small business. I've been around a long time, been in business since 1986, and I've seen a lot. I've talked to a lot of fellow friends in business, so I got some insight here. And we are regarded as the engine of the economy. The politicians herald us as the engine of the economy. But that's all rhetoric, because as soon as those words are spoken, they turn their backs on us for the special interests. Health insurance is a major burden of small businesses. It's crushing our businesses, it's stressing us out. For a lot of us, it's actually our largest expense. For small businesses, actually the smaller we are, the higher our rates compared to everybody else. If you've got a business that's under, let's say, 5 employees, your rates are so high, a lot of times you just can't afford it, or all you can afford is catastrophic. And then if one of your employees, let's say he's got to go to the emergency room, like she was saying a while ago, that's half that guy's salary for the whole year. So, I mean, it's coverage, but it's got holes in it. The insurance company is like a wall around our company. And in that wall, within the company, you have someone who wants to leave the company. Let's say he needs to move away, or let's say he wants to change profession, or let's say he wants to start his own business. Well, if he's got pre-existing conditions, or his family members do, he's locked in that business. He can't leave. He cannot do what all of us Americans ought to be able to do, which is work where we want to work, do what we want to do. That's probably the American dream. If someone wants to come in, let's say they've got a halfway decent health care policy, and they're afraid to give it up because if they give it up, then they end up getting sick later. You know how that goes. They can't get it back. They'll go in, they've got some pre-existing conditions, they'll knock on Blue Cross's door or go online. It's $2,000 a month. How are you going to afford that? Get the insurance companies off our backs. Let us run our businesses. I mean, the bottom line is the insurance companies have had their way with small businesses. No more, please, no more.